Hello class 3. I hope you enjoyed your summer breaks very well. Today I will be explaining first part of lesson number 7, birds. Students, birds, insects and bats are only 3 group of animals that have the ability to fly, and this quality make them very special. Apart from their flying ability, I will tell you some detailed information related with birds. We can commonly see many birds around us. Here we can see image of different birds starting from top left is crow, manna, sparrow, hen and at last vulture. We are all familiar with these birds. Now I will explain different parts of a bird. First is eyes. Birds have eyes on side of their heads in general. Second is head. It helps a bird to look around and for its identification. Third is beak, which is helpful mainly in eating and killing its prey. It also helps in feeding its babies. Torso is the central part of any animal or bird. Leg is the bottom part which help a bird to stand. Tail help in maintaining balance of a bird body while it is sitting. Wing help a bird to fly. Now let's come to features of a bird's body. Birds have wings and 2 legs. They lay eggs. They have feathers covering all their body. They are found in different colors and sizes. They make their own nest. Some birds can swim. Birds like penguin, emu cannot fly. Hen, peacock fly for short distance, and birds like eagle can fly at great height. Birds have 2 types of feathers, down feather and flight feather. Down feather are small and fluffy. They keep the bird body warm, whereas flight feathers are long, strong and flexible. They help a bird to fly. Birds can be found everywhere. Duck, swans live in water. Himalayan molan, etc. live in hilly areas. House sparrow live in plains, whereas herons, egrets live in marshy land. Well, marshy land is a treeless area where water cover ground for a longer period of time. Students, do you know the name of smallest and tallest bird? The most smallest bird is bee hummingbird and largest bird is ostrich. Well, this is all for today. I will be back with its second part very soon. Till then, thank you.